Hi everybody and welcome back to Sensory Centers. Today we are going to be making a fun Christmas sensory center. Well, fun depending on how you feel about icky stuff. We're going to be making Christmas slime. Now, I've never made slime before. I know it's very popular. I know people love to make slime. I've never made slime before, so we're going to see how this goes. So to make the Christmas slime, you need clear school glue, Elmer's glue. You need oh geez. Down we go. You need contact solution or saline solution. It's contact solution. You need baking soda, red and green glitter, and you can optionally put in red, green, and white pom-poms as you play with it. You also need a bowl for mixing. You need a cup, but I only have a 1/4 cup, so that will work. You need a tablespoon, which I do have, and you need a teaspoon, which I don't have, so I have a 1/4 teaspoon, so that also works as well. So the first thing you do is you put 1 cup of school glue into your bowl. So since I only have a 1/4 cup, I have to do 4 cups, 4 1/4 cups. 2. I'm already not loving how sticky and messy this is going to be. I took my rings off. Ugh. So by the way that I'm saying ugh, you can tell why I've never made slime before. So I don't have any great place for this to dry off. Ugh. So just put the glue over there. Maybe I'll put this on. That's gonna get everywhere. Oh well. So you can't even really see it. We have our 1 cup or 4 1/4 cups of school glue. The next thing you put in is 2 to 3 tablespoons of contact solution. I have a tablespoon, so that works. So that's 1. 2, and I'm gonna go for the full 3, even though it said between 2 and 3. I'm gonna go for the full 3. So it's 3 tablespoons of contact or saline solution. Get that out all good, because the next thing is 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And 2 to 4 teaspoons of the red and green glitter. Now, since my red and green glitter has the shake tops on it, I'm just gonna shake it in. Hopefully that was not too much. Now, this is the part that I really don't like. I have to mix this with my hands. Oh, I'm so tempted. I think I'm just gonna mix it with this. So here, if you can see, this is what the monstrosity looks like before we start mixing it. I wish there was a better way I could show this to you for mixing it. There's not, look, it's already yucky. Yuck. There seems to be a lot of the contact solution still in the bottom, and the baking soda is not folding in like I thought it was supposed to. It is sticky. You can see that it's sticky. Now glue is clearly very sticky. But it's like, it's sticking to this very much so. I think I'm gonna have to use my hands. Oh man. This is not what I wanted to do. Ugh. Okay. Okay, it's really sticky. Like, it's like still like glue sticky. So it said if you run into that problem, you could put in more contact solution, which I don't know if I want to do just yet. Let me mix it with my hands a little bit first. Let's see if it gets any less. So it has slimed, and it is, okay, so now it has more of the contact solution on it, and it's less, it feels more like slime and less like glue. So I don't know if that was because I needed in the baking soda more, or because there was still contact solution at the bottom of the bowl. Like, I'm not really sure. What would make it less sticky. But as you can see, it's glittery. Can you see that it's glittery? I can see that it's glittery. Can I get it closer so you can see that it's glittery? But it is Christmassy. So they said that you could put the pom-poms in and fold it in to make it like extra Christmassy if you wanted to. I didn't, just because I think we're going to use the pom-poms for something else, and I don't want to waste them on a project that there's not a make and take it for. So, so this really did work. It really is slimy, and it really is, it's not as disgusting now that it's mixed because it's more solid. So you can have hours and hours of fun with the slime. I want to see, there's glitter all over my hands. I wonder if it'll pick up the glitter on my hands and incorporate it into the slime. But that's all that there is to it. So if you like the icky, ooey gooey-ness of slime, and you want to make this project, that you have all your ingredients. There is no make and take for this one because I don't have a great way to get and transport the contact solution and the glue to you. But I would say this, maybe not, was a successful Sensory Centers project. So let me know if you make it at home, if it works for you, and have a great day.